Hi guys, we're in Spain!
Yay! Felt like it's taken us like about a year to get here. So yeah, so we've been here for a good few days now. We are on La Robina beach. That's where we're heading now. And we have wild camped. Basically, it's about a 5-minute walk to the beach, probably less really. It's available on Park for Night. And it looks like a little car park, which I suppose it kind of is, but that you can get probably about 8 vans on there just.
Yeah, cool. Get about 8 vans on there. Yeah, the beach is actually blocked off by a 2.5 metre height restriction. So Blodwen's a little bit higher than that, about 3 metres. So just off to the left is this little parking bay. Yeah. And we've stayed in there now for a couple of days. We've kind of settled in, to be honest.
Yeah, it's really lovely. It's like a stone's throw from the beach. As Justin goes through his flattening the sand ritual, La Robina beach is in the area of Castillo de Ampurias, which is just outside the town of Roses in the northeast of Spain and is part of the Costa Brava. We are just 22 miles from the Pyrenees Mountains and the French border. While we were exploring around the parka, we found a huge bush of tiny wild tomatoes. How cool! We decided to pick some and have them with our lunch.
Fresh tomatoes!
Oh, that's nice. Lovely. So we are just going for a nice walk. We're going to walk along the beach and then we're going to go into town. There's a... Oh, sorry. So we're just going to go for a walk. It's just about to go dark. The sun has just gone down. We're going to have a walk along the beach now. And we're going to go to the next little town over. And it's got a massive... what's it called? Marina.
We're going to see some boats.
It's got a massive marina, so we're going to have a little look at the boats and that, and then maybe have a drink outside a little bar. But while we are walking here, there are bats just flying around everywhere. I'm hoping that they're going to catch all the mosquitoes that are around.
yeah, there's a few bats and mosquitoes.
Wait a minute, go that way. There was just lightning going on.
Lightning as well?
Yeah, so
it's all going on
so
nowadays.
one side looks really quite nice and the other side now it's quite dark and moody, and I've just seen a flash of lightning.
One more. Ooh, mosquito.
Keep walking, they'll have you.
Oh, they'll have your ankles, they love an ankle.
See, the sun's just gone down over there. Over there. Sun's just gone down
just
over
the top
there.
of your head, babe.
The sun has just gone down over there, and look at the sky this side. Definitely stormy, definitely thunder and lightning coming. So we have found a little bar on the edge of the beach. You can see behind us we've got a storm going round to the side of us. We've just been given two of the strongest drinks I've ever tasted in my life. Vodka and Coke and a dark rum and Coke, and I forgot what Spanish measures are like.
That's lovely.
It's really nice, it's a bit packed, so we don't want to be shouting, but yeah, we're right on the beach. There's thunder and lightning going on just in front of you there, in front of us. Yeah, we're waiting for food, exciting times.
Yeah, walk home on the beach.
So we've come back from the bar because as we were like 3/4 of the way through our food, the rain and the storm started coming towards us.
Yeah, it started raining over the top of the bar.
Yeah.
The bar didn't have a roof.
No, so we had to start some like netting with like that fake kind of leaf.
Yes,
kind
some
of
like
fencing thing.
Like some camouflage netting, and the rain was coming through it.
The rain was coming through it, and we were trying to eat our food as quick as we possibly could and finish our drinks, but our drinks were huge and really strong. So, so eventually, anyway, we got back. And yeah, we've been looking at some lovely lightning shows that have been going on in front of us.
Yeah, we're sat outside, we're under the awning, and it's raining all around us.
Yeah, it's really nice. Actually, it is nice to have a little bit of rain now because we haven't had any really proper rain for about 6 weeks.
No.
6 or 7 weeks.
No, it's been hot.
Yeah, it's been really hot.
Yeah.
So we are kind of grateful for having a little bit of rain, for it to be so.
Yeah, I don't mind.
For it to be a little bit cooler now.
Yeah, I'm not sad in the slightest it's raining.
No, not me. I'm quite enjoying it actually. Wow, what an eventful few days it's been here at La Robina beach. From finding a bush of beautiful tiny tomatoes right next to the van, bats swooping around us, thunder and lightning storms, being caught in the rain and relaxing on the most beautiful beach. Lush. Having a few days static after a pretty full-on few weeks travelling really did us the world of good. But now it's time to move on. Join us next week for a trip into the mind of a really famous artist. It's bizarre. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. It's all free.
Hey Lola, do you know the leading cause of dry fur?
Oh my God, what is it, Lenny?
Towels.